Everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you the full-fledged IQ option auto trading system that I have designed. This is the MT4 candle reversal indicator designed by me. We will talk about this later. First, let me show you the system that I have designed. This is a Python based project. As you can see, it has so many modules. All these modules are modularized, put in respective directories, imported here. Everything is integrated and made to work. Now how this system works is it listens signals either from Telegram or MT4. Okay, and as soon as signal is read by the Python program, it immediately fires straight in the IQ option. First, it tries to place Blitz option trade, and if that particular pair is inactive or currently suspended, then it tries to place binary option as fallback option. Other thing about this system is that it also records each trade. Okay, as you can see here, this is how each trades are recorded. Okay, just receive the signal and you can say these signals are being executed here. So all these signals are being executed here. Just now my indicators generated 3 trading signals, and these signals are automatically executed by the Python program. You can see all of these are 5-minute expiry trade, right? So here you can see this is how the trade records are recorded. It has pair, direction, bet amount. Currently these things are active trades, so the status pending, PNL pending. If we look up here, so you can see this trade is already closed. Win, profit amount, expiry minutes was 5 minutes, and you can see the signal source MT4 candle reversal pro, which is this indicator. And here you can see the signal source AUD put win signal source as signal M5. This signal was received from Telegram channel, and you can see the group name is signal M5, right? Okay, as you can see, this script is able to read signals both from MT4 and Telegram concurrently, or at a different time, and it immediately fires trade, keep trades record, and when daily profit loss is reached, right, it automatically shut down the program in order to avoid over trading. Okay, now let's try sending signals from Telegram and see if this signal is executed in IQ option or not. Okay, so I have couple of binary option trading signals. Okay, some of them are free and some of them are premium. For example, this one is a free signal group, and this is how the signal are given. This is also a free signal group, and up here, just a moment, so this is how the trading signals are given in this group. Okay, this one is a private group. This is how the trading signals are given, right? Now let's try sending signals from here and see if that's executed in our Python in our IQ option or not. For example, let's copy this signal and let's submit this in this group. My Python program is also listening for this group. So right now we don't have any Euro USD pair open, right? So Euro USD 15-minute expiry put trade submitted. Okay, here you can see signal is received from crash AI signal spot put euro USD 15 minute, right? So this is the Telegram group name. Here you can see the username crash AI signal bot. Okay, so we are getting from this source, right? And it says trade AI placed successfully. And if we go to our IQ option, here you can see euro USD put trade 15-minute expiry Blitz option, right? Now instead of put, let's make it a call trade. Okay, and this must execute call trade for 15 minutes, and you can see euro USD Blitz 15-minute call trade, right? So another trading signal pattern is it's this one, GBP USD 5-minute expiry now. Okay, now let's try sending signals from different groups. Signal M5 GBP USD 5-minute buy trade. Okay, and here you can see GBP USD 5-minute. This one is old trade, this one is the latest trade, 5-minute call trade, right? And if we go to our trade record, this must be recorded and under pending status. Here you can see GBP USD call pending because this is currently active and the signal source is signal M5, right? So it's perfectly listening signals from particular Telegram group and immediately executing in IQ option, right? Now let's forward the signals from MT4 and see if it's working same as Telegram signals or not. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, this is the trading system that I designed. Okay, it's a 5-minute expiry trade. Okay, 1 minute analysis, 5-minute expiry. So the expiry can be 3 minute or 5 minute based on your needs, or you can adjust the parameter like this one here and see with 3 minutes we are having not good win rate, right? But with 5 minutes we are having just above average, which will like keep us in profit. Okay, today is Friday, so we know like on Friday market are so volatile, and like achieving good success rate is quite rare, right? But even though we like my indicator is generating 58.1% profit rate, so which is a good thing. Okay, right now it's not detecting any signals, so I will manually generate the signals and see if Python is reading the signals or not, and if it's placing the trade in IQ option or not. So this is Euro AUD pair. At the moment we don't have any Euro AUD pair open, right? So now I will manually fire sell trade. Okay, so we have received the pop-up alert in MT4, and if we go to IQ option, great, Euro AUD 5-minute put trade, right? Now instead of 5, let's make it 3 minute, and instead of sell, let's generate buy signal. Okay, this time there must be Euro AUD 3-minute buy. Here you can see Euro AUD Blitz option 3-minute call trade, right? So everything seems great, working as expected, right? Okay, so that's all about this system. Okay, this is a premium script and it's available on demand. If you like to get this system or have any question about it, you can reach out to me via Telegram. Other thing about this is please note that this indicator does not generate like 100% or not even 80% win rate. Okay, if you are looking for like over 80 or 90% win rate indicator, this is not the one. It does not, it rarely does that, but that's very rare. Most of the time it's above 60%, 60 to 65%. Okay, most of the time, and that's a good thing, right? In order to be profitable or break even, you need to have minimum 55%. So having 60 to 65% percent win rate will always keep you in profit, and over the long run you will make profit. Sometime, like, you know, it also generates worst trade like win rate, like maybe 40% or 45%. In that case, we will suffer a loss, but that rarely happens. And when that happens, you know, good thing is to close the trade on that particular day when we are having worse trade, you know, we wait until our stop loss is hit, and if our stop loss limit is hit, we close. It's wise to close you know, like trading for that day, and you know, come back next day and trade like next day and make money, right? So that will be wise thing. And other thing is that if you have your own indicator, and instead of this indicator you want to integrate this Python script with your own indicator, sure, we can do that, right? But you need to have the script for that. Having just indicator, it's not enough, because we need to have a script. We need to modify the script so that we can send the signal to the Python script. So if you have like your own indicator, right, with source code, in that case, if you if you just want the Python script, sure, you can do that. In that case, you will have 30 to 40% discounts than like with the original price. Okay, so that's all about this system. Like I said, if you have any questions or if you want to make inquiry about it, you can reach out to me by my Telegram group. So thank you for listening. See you in the next video.